What's up, everybody? So here we are now at a work function. I'm with Shanta, my wife. Yes, that's right, a work function. Dwayne Woolley has a full-time job. I'm one of the only few YouTubers in the world that didn't quit his job to do YouTube full-time. I'm a real person. This is reality. You have to work to make a living. Pero sana mag-YouTube ako ng full-time pag abutin natin ang 100,000 subscribers. Kaya natin yan. Push natin yan. Dito sa work function namin, we're gonna perform YMCA by the Village People. Contest to. Tingnan natin kung sinong mananalo.
So let's start it once again with a big, big round of applause!
Okay lang, panalo tayo. Tingnan mo, panalo tayo. What's up,
yeah, what up, yo? Tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
Yes, guys, what's up? What's up, Scary Spice?
Old Spice.
Old Spice.
Old Spice, mixed herbs and spices.
So I'm going to give mine to the Village People.
Second place! Yeah, second place! Second place! Second runner-up, Bulaga, second place dito sa work. Lagging second. Alright. So work function is over. Me and Shanta are going to the YouTube pop-up space opening party! Woo! Bossing, pupunta po kami doon sa ano?
Kayo ba yun?
Ha? Oh, kami yun. Sa ano? PGC Art Center, di ba?
Ba't may kausap ako kay iba?
Ha? Mali pala yung sinakyan namin. Kakahiya.
So embarrassing.
Nag-record ka. Salamat, bossing. Pag hinay dida.
Agalang-alang.
Here we are at the BGC Art Center para sa YouTube pop-up space opening party. Here at BGC! It's our first ever YouTube event. We're here. Eh, grabe, may mustache pa ako. Kaya ng bigote. Kainis. Daming creators dito, grabe. Daming YouTubers kayo dyan. Ayan. O sige ba, pwede. Picture din. Wow, feeling artista ako dito. Sige Shanta, pasok na tayo. Sige.
Kuya, pa-picture.
Oh, sige. Pa-picture.
Ano nga?
Pa-picture din siya.
1, 2. YouTuber ka din?
Anong channel mo? I-plug mo dyan.
Sige po. Hello guys. Subscribe niyo po ako sa YouTube. YouTube name ko is Kenji EO po.
Hello po.
Here inside the cross.
We got our IDs, we're ready to rock and roll! Waray ug Cebuano.
Waray Cebuano.
Ikaw, unsa ka man?
Bisaya ako, Tagalog, English.
Lahat yan. Ayan. Astig.
Pinanood ko yung ano mo, yung video mo, yung malaking cruise ba yun? Yung
Malaking
sa Tarlac and
yun.
yun.
Talaga?
Oo, at saka napanood ko yung ano mo, yung I Love OPM.
Ang galing. Anong YouTube channel mo? I-plug mo dyan.
Subscribe if you are new to this channel, hi guys, subscribe my YouTube channel, it's I Love Tanchong TV. Random videos lang yung ina-upload ko, wala akong niche, so variety talaga.
Astig. We got a free YouTube bag.
And a pen.
Sayang kasi naubusan sila ng shirt eh. Malas. Ano na? Kaming creator dito, grabe. Sobrang dami. Tignan mo lahat ng tao may camera. Ito
Ay, wait lang. Hi, Queenie.
Hello po. Ano pong pangalan mo?
I'm Ken.
You're Ken? YouTuber ka din?
Yes.
Ayun, kaway ka dyan.
Hi! Oh my
Plug
God.
mo yung channel mo dyan.
Hi, I'm Ken by Apple TV and subscribe and I love you all. Dwayne Woolley.
Ayan. Tingnan natin dito.
He joined I Love OPM.
Tama.
You remember him? Tsaka Corinoy.
Wow! Feeling artista ko dito. Grabe. Salamat ha.
Your Tagalog is so good.
Ay, salamat. Okay. Travis Craft! What's up, man? Kumusta?
Hi!
Yun! This is another white guy that's married to a Filipina. Pareho sa akin. I love your YouTube channel, man.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
How long have you been here for in the Philippines?
Like 5 years.
Oh, yeah. Have you learned to speak the language yet?
Siyempre.
Ay, galing, ang galing.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Well, good day, mate.
G'day, mate.
I know that's really bad. Hopefully that's not offensive.
No, that's so good. Hello, bro. Oh, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
How long are you going to be in the Philippines for? You live here permanently, or?
Well, we'll see.
Oh, okay.
I'm always going around. I'll always be doing good stuff, though. We'll see. I'm going to be doing some traveling.
Okay, sweet. Awesome, man. Good.
All right.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you.
Cheers. Lalaki ako, dapat wapo. Ang ganda mo.
Ayun!
Nababaliw siya sa sinabi ko. YouTube Pop-Up Space Manila. Oh. That was awesome, Shanta, wasn't it? Pagod na ako eh. Ay, nakakahiya. May bigote ba ako? In-interview ko si Travis Kraft habang may bigote ako. Kainis. And that was our first ever YouTube event, di ba? Our very first YouTube event ever. Uwi na tayo, Shanta. Sige na. Grabe ang init. Why did I wear this?